Lego Duplo set. Fire department.
Stop licking.
I'm video recording, just so you know.
Whoa. Are you even watching this?
I'm watching
really,
it.
really cool. And it lights up and makes sounds and stuff.
Ow! Ow! Come on! Ow! I've got to play with this.
Well, I think you might have one more. Maybe two. Underneath. No, just one.
Okay. Nope, it's a toy. Yes, it's a toy. Oh! What is it? What is it?
What is it?
Whoa! Oh, I think it's a little Indian set.
Oh,
Pop
Pop Rock.
Rocks.
And a dream catcher. That's pretty cool.
Oh, that is cool.
Grandma
Indian.
Ross and Brianna and
It's an Indian.
Yeah.
Grandpa Ross sent you a
Do you know what
dream
those are
catcher
for?
to catch like all your bad dreams.
Yep.
So you don't have bad dreams and
Yep.
stuff.
That's what the Native American people believe. They believe that if you have a dream catcher in your room, then the dream catcher will catch all your bad dreams. You won't have any bad dreams.
This is Indian stuff too.
Yeah. So what's that thing that you got?
It looks like tops.
Emotion.
No, it's something that you spend, but you have to build it.
Geomag? Emotion?
So it's like a building thing?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a building.
Let me see. I'll open it.
Cool. So what do you say to Grandma and Grandpa and Brianna?
Let's send a card that says thank you
Yeah?
very much
Okay. We could do that.
for sending the Lego Duplo.
Yeah? Is that your favorite one?
Yes.
What about the Etch-a-Sketch?
Yes, even that.
And the slippers?
Yes, and that.
Yeah, you liked it all, didn't you?
Yes, how did they know I wanted them?
I don't know. I guess they just know you.
Swiss made.
Open this.
I'm trying to figure out how to open up this box.